How is nanotechnology, the tiny science, changing everything? Imagine a world where doctors can send tiny robots into your body to fix problems before you even feel sick. Or where clothes clean themselves and phones never need charging. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, welcome to nanotechnology, the science of incredibly tiny things that are changing our world in big ways. What is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is all about working with atoms and molecules, the tiny building blocks of everything. To give you an idea of just how small this is, a nanometer is 100,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. At this level, materials start behaving in unusual ways. For example, gold isn't always gold-colored at the nano level. It can appear red, blue, or even purple. Nanotechnology is already part of your daily life, even if you don't realize it. Here are a few ways it's making things cooler. Super strong sports gear. Tennis rackets, bicycles, and even skateboards use nanotech to become lighter and stronger, giving you more power with less effort. Self-cleaning clothes. Some fabrics now use nanotechnology to repel water and dirt. Spill soda on your shirt? It just slides off. Medicine of the future. Scientists are developing tiny nanoparticles that can deliver medicine directly to sick cells, making treatments for diseases like cancer much more effective. Faster and smaller electronics. Your phones, laptops, and gaming consoles are shrinking while becoming faster, all thanks to nanotechnology. The next big leap in nanotech. One of the most exciting developments in nanotechnology is the idea of self-replicating nanobots. Imagine tiny machines that can build even more tiny machines. This could lead to unlimited resources, ultra-fast construction, and groundbreaking medical advancements. But here's the twist. What if these tiny machines never stop replicating? Some scientists fear that one small programming error could trigger what's called the gray goo scenario, where nanobots multiply uncontrollably, consuming everything in their path. Now, imagine combining nanotechnology with artificial intelligence. AI can help control and optimize nanotech, making it even more powerful and efficient. In medicine, AI-driven nanobots could navigate through your body, identifying diseases and delivering treatments with extreme precision. Instead of waiting for symptoms, an AI-powered nanobot could detect harmful cells and eliminate them before you even feel sick. In technology, AI and nanotech are pushing the boundaries of what computers can do. Super tiny AI-powered processors could make devices even smaller, faster, and smarter, leading to innovations in robotics, self-driving cars, and even space exploration. But here's the big question. What happens when AI starts controlling nanotechnology without human input? Could AI create self-improving nanobots that we can't stop? Could we reach a point where machines are making decisions that are too complex for us to understand? Is nanotech safe? This is where things get controversial. Some scientists worry that nanotechnology might be too powerful. What if tiny robots get out of control? What if nanoparticles in food or skincare products have unknown health effects? What if nanotech is used for surveillance, warfare, or unethical experiments? Like any new technology, nanotechnology has huge benefits but also significant risks. The real question is, how far should we go? Are we shaping the future or are we playing with fire? What do you think? Would you trust nanotechnology to change the world? Or should we be more cautious before making things too small to see?